Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect MetaMask to Localhost. This process is essential for developing and testing decentralized applications without deploying to a live network. Using a local blockchain saves time and resources during development. First, you'll need to set up a local blockchain environment, such as Ganesh or Hardhat, and ensure it is running on your computer. This provides the necessary local network for MetaMask to interact with. Next, let's configure MetaMask. Open your MetaMask extension and click on the network selector at the top. Choose Add Network, then add a network manually. You'll need to input a few details. For the network name, you can use localhost. The new RPC URL should be http://localhost 8545. Set the chain ID to 1337 and the currency symbol to ETH. Then, simply save these settings. Now that your local network is added, you'll want to import test accounts. Your local blockchain, like Ganesh or Hardhat, generates several accounts with private keys. Copy one of these private keys. In MetaMask, click your profile icon in the top right, then select Import Account. Paste the copied private key into the input field and click Import. You should now see an account with a balance, typically 100 test Ether, ready for development. Finally, let's verify your connection. Ensure MetaMask is switched to your newly added localhost network. Check that your imported account shows its test Ether balance, confirming a successful connection. You are now ready to interact with your decentralized applications locally. If you encounter any issues, double-check that your local blockchain is running and that the RPC URL and chain ID in MetaMask match your local network's configuration. Happy developing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.